We'll guide you through how to make forms in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can begin the setup. Once it loads, move to the search bar and type Notion, then press enter. From the results that appear, click the top web that looks right, which should take you straight to the official site of Notion. When the page opens, look at the left sidebar and click the plus button in the private section to add a new page. After the new page appears, look for the form option below and select it so the page switches into form mode. At the top of the form, input your form title so the purpose of the form is clear. Under the title, input your form description so anyone using it knows what it is for. Inside the form, look at the first question section and rename it to anything you want. For example, you can rename it to name. Move to the second question and rename it gender. If there are default options you do not want, delete them by clicking the delete button on the right side of each option. After that, rename the remaining option based on your plan. If you need more choices, click Add Option and type whatever options you want to include. When the first two questions look right, scroll down and add a new question by clicking the plus button. Choose the question type that fits your plan from the list that appears. As an example, you can select multiple choice. Rename the new question to match what you want to ask. For example, rename it to hobby so respondents know what to answer. Add a few options inside that question by clicking that option for each one until the list is complete. When all the questions look ready, click the preview button at the top so you can see how your form appears from the user side. Go through the preview and fill in all the questions to test it out. This helps you check if everything works as expected. When you finish filling the test form, click Submit to confirm the result. After submitting, go back to the main form page and look at the top left. Click Responses to open the section where all submitted answers are stored. Here you can see every response that has been sent, letting you review each one clearly. This completes the whole process.